So today we just got some bad news that a Bitcoin mining company might be filing for bankruptcy early on tomorrow. And we're going to be talking about that today, as well as a bankrupt crypto exchange that might be giving its customers back its funds. Certain customers, at least. Let's get into it. So, Bitcoin miner Core Scientific is filing for Chapter 11 bankruptcy, but plans to keep mining. For those of you that don't know about Core Scientific, it is a Bitcoin mining company, and it's one of the big ones. So, this is not good news at all. And also, if you aren't familiar with what an ASIC is, it's a device probably about yay big. That mines crypto. Most of them probably mine Bitcoin. I actually mine through Compass, which is another facility like such that allows you to purchase miners. But this is not going to be good. This is just another company that is just going to be completely bankrupt, and it's pretty rough. Core Scientific mines Bitcoin, and their investors, people that buy ASIC miners through them, mine Bitcoin. So that keeps the Bitcoin network secure. And the reason why this is so big, taking a look down here, they had a $4.3 billion valuation back in July of 2021. Now coming in, Core's market capitalization had fallen to $78 million as of the end of trading Tuesday. So that's a pretty significant jump. It says right here the stock has fallen more than 98% in the last year. That's a brutal hit right here. It says that the company is still generating positive cash flow, but that cash is not sufficient to repay the financing debt owed on, I imagine, the ASIC equipment that it was leasing, according to a person familiar with the company's financial situation. So this is not going to be good for crypto, I'd imagine. It's another company down, and we definitely don't need this right now. We're taking hit after hit. But the reason why this company is probably being hit so hard is because Bitcoin has fallen from its all-time high of around $69,000 to around 16,000, 16,400, 800. So when you're mining Bitcoin, you actually receive more rewards when the price of Bitcoin is higher. Not to mention, over this past year or so, energy prices have soared, and the hash rate of mining has soared up. So whenever the hash rate is higher, you make less as a Bitcoin miner. So that's important to take note of. And it also stated down here that one of their big customers was Celsius. For those of you guys that don't know Celsius, that lending company actually filed for bankruptcy as well. So all these exchanges, companies just filing for bankruptcy right now, not good. But it said right here that put a strain on Core's balance sheet. Now, this is not the first crypto mining company to fall this year. Actually, Compute North filed for bankruptcy back in September. So this is just another one of those stacking up, another bankrupt company in crypto. Moving on, we're going to be talking about BlockFi, and you guys get excited and hyped for this because if you have money in BlockFi right now, they're actually potentially going to be giving your money back, at least if you don't have an interest-bearing account. So if you guys weren't making money through interest on your crypto in BlockFi by lending it back to them as capital, then you may be able to receive your assets soon. The dates that you're going to want to be looking for is January 9th if you live in the U.S. because they filed a hearing with the New Jersey bankruptcy court, and they have a hearing on January 9th for the U.S. To maybe get these funds moving. And if you live outside the US, you're going to want to be looking at January 13th. So either way, it's very soon. It's the 21st of December today. So that gives you like 10, 20 days. 20 days, maybe not even if you're living in the US. A little bit over 20 if you're outside of the US. But that's going to be all for this video. If you guys like this content, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button because I post crypto content like this almost on a daily basis to keep you guys up to date with the crypto news. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.